Applyflixcom Netflix pricing explained what you get for your money. You saw an ad that promised get paid to review Netflix and clicked. What's the catch? Well, most people get this wrong by assuming legit opportunity, but here's why you need to be careful. Websites like Entity Brand, Netflix, Zero Theme Applyflixcom claim you can earn money by watching shows, writing reviews or participating in tasks. But investigative reports show it's a scam, fake job offer, hidden fees, personal info harvesting. Turn circ. What you get, the promise of make money while watching television. What you give up a risk, your personal data, time, and possibly money, if the site asks you to pay for access or training. Real Netflix jobs don't ask you to pay or give your account credentials. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Verify the company's official careers page. Netflix does hire reviewers through random sites. Step 2. Check for required upfront payment or account info if asked. That's a red flag. Step 3. Ask, if you spend hours on tasks and the payout is vague, what is your effective hourly rate? Step 4. Remember your data, time and risk matter more than promise of free money. You won't believe what happens next when you ignore these warning signs. You give your login, install malicious software or pay a fee and nothing happens. The surprising truth, if a job sounds too good and involves payment from you, it's likely a scam. In conclusion, Applyflixcom and similar paid Netflix review sites are high risk and low value. Protect your time, data and trust your instincts. Better to use real job portals or go straight to official brand career pages. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more remote job scam alerts and what you're really paying for.